Hi everybody, today we have a 2005 Cadillac STS with a 4.6 liter. Customer's concern is it runs pretty good, a little bit of a shaky idle here and there, but overall okay. I drove it, I thought it had a loss of power, and it has a lot of codes. It has, well, I'll show you. I took a snapshot of it. So we have P1101, and that's the intake airflow system performance. Then we have P0068, and that's the throttle body performance. And we have P0171 and P0174. It's lean on bank 1 and lean on bank 2. So on this particular vehicle, it said when you have this combination of 4, 1101, 0068, 171 and 174, that it can be, this is the intake manifold and this is the intake manifold, and the rear of the intake manifold has a booster fitting, and what happens is oil builds up over time because this is at the bottom of the manifold. As the engine gets older, you get a little bit of oil carbon buildup and stuff down there, so what that does is it makes the inside of the hose soggy. So I pulled on the hose, and might be hard to see there, but this hose is really soggy. And then farther down it, if you go to the side over here, the hose gets a little bit stronger. And what I noticed when I had it on, I could kind of swivel everything around and I could watch this little arrow move. So when the arrow moved, I knew the hose was loose on the fitting because there's no clamp on this one. And the other end where it goes on the power booster up there, there's no clamp there either. It's just a push-on fit. So over time, when that oil gets inside there, engine oil makes rubber hoses soggy. So this is all soggy and all soft. So I have a new hose coming from the dealer because as you can see, it's a pre-curved, it's got a lot of curves and bends in it. And it goes on the back of the intake manifold back behind there. And so that's why I made this picture for you. It's backwards compared to how the car is, but this is the rear of the manifold. And so right back here on the bottom, that's where that little nipple comes out. And so I'll be able to get my hand back there. I can move some of this around. Maybe get a long pair of needle nose or something to push it on because it's going to be a lot tighter fit. So when you have those problems, that's a good solution, a good place to check. So I talked about other vacuum leaks, other problems too, where it could have, you know, field trims and things like that to look at. But when I saw those 4 codes, I typed in that software program and I came up with checking these certain things, and I got to that hose and wiggled it. You see how, you know, you didn't see how it came off, but it came off. It's all soggy at the end. That'll cause a pretty big vacuum leak, but it'll set those specific 4 codes. Okay, thank you very much. Hope this helps someone with a Cadillac STS. Thank you.